So as we got so many requests from a homeopath to how to make a LM2 from LM1, as most of the homeopath nowadays are struggling to purchase the LM potencies, because there are so many pharmacies are reluctant to sell all the forms of LM potency from LM1 to LM2, and there are so few pharmacies who can provide you LM1 to LM30. But in clinic, sometimes we need LM2, LM3, LM4 or more potencies. But unfortunately, due to the difficulties in purchasing LM potencies, we need to be an expert in preparing the LM potency in our clinic very easily from LM1 to LM2, LM2 to LM3 and 4. So friends, now we are going to start the process. Don't skip this video in between. You might miss something and watch till the end of this video to know the process of preparing LM1 to LM2 and 3 or more. So first you will need these things to prepare the LM2. So basic first need is that you must have the LM1 potency of desired medicine. Second thing, that is 10 to 20 ml bottle. Then distilled water, which you easily get from any medical shop. Pure alcohol, which is also getting from our homeopathic pharmacies. Usually we call it as a SL. Then poppy sized globules, blotting paper, 15 ml amber colored bottle, and sticker for labeling to prepared medicine. So now let's start the process. First, take a 10 to 20 ml bottle, then add a 1 globule in this bottle and add just a 1 drop of water to dissolve that globule. Now add 100 drops of pure alcohol. Then close the bottle tightly so that air doesn't go inside and to prevent spilling of dilution while doing succussions. Now apply the 100 succussions. Your solution is ready to prepare the globules. Now take approximately some amount of poppy sized globules and then put the dilution which we prepared earlier, and then globules will soak the dilution and the extra dilution will be soaked by the blotting paper. Now wait for 3 to 4 minutes. Then take a 15 ml amber color bottle and fill it with the medicated globules, and now your LM2 which we prepared is ready to use. And if you want to make a LM3 and more, do the same process, but we don't need usually that high potencies. Now you can prepare LM2, LM3, LM4 and more very easily in your clinic. To learn more about homeopathy, subscribe to the Genuine Practical Homeopathy channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.